Farup Sommerland is a theme park in northern Denmark. It's known for its large water park and very wooded theme park that features a number of rides and roller coasters, most notably the brand new Vekoma Fonix, which was not open yet on our visit, but we will return next year for this new ride. The park opened in 1975. It's a family-owned park and it has kept its charm ever since. A large lake in the middle of the park separates the water park and theme park, and an on-site hotel is located inside the park as well. The admission price includes both the water and theme park. Farup has 8 roller coasters. 4 of them are family coasters, but 3 of those 4 are actually quite big rides, so quite a few notable rides here. There's also a raft, some flat rides, a log flume, and a total of 60 attractions with the water and theme park combined. No major dark rides, but they do have a standard 4D theater attraction.
Look at a huge picnic area.
We'd be here for just half a day, so it was a quick visit to this medium-sized park with a lot of good attractions. Lightning was first on our list, the Gerstlauer LSM launched roller coaster. It's smooth, has a great layout, but unfortunately it has OSTRs. The over-the-shoulder restraints make some elements just a bit uncomfortable. Still a great ride and pretty smooth as well. One of Gerstlauer's stronger layouts.
Whoa, that's good. Whoa, my shoulder.
Time I don't want airtime playing time because my shoulders are all banged up from tornado yesterday.
A family boomerang saw runs through the trees and over some ponds. It makes for a really nice setting. These are always fun rides. This one is the same layout as the Energylandia model that we'd previously ridden on this trip. Smaller coasters like the Vekoma manufactured Mine Train is a fun one. The Spinning Wild Mouse is another standard coaster that's always a great ride. And then it was over to the Vekoma family suspended coaster, Hurricane. This is the first model with this layout, the 453-meter suspended coaster. It's placed over the water and it is also always a fun ride. Nice forces here for the small scale attraction, and still one of the best settings and best color schemes of this now popular model.
Where did my sandal go?
The final coaster that we would ride is the S&S manufactured wooden roller coaster, Falcon. This is an Alan Schilke layout, now popular for, of course, his layouts on many RMCs. There are moments on this coaster that you don't find on many wooden coasters, and that's kind of what he is known for, like this pre-drop section after the lift, which makes the drop really excellent as you float over the top and then get some airtime on the way down. And that tight helix at the end was quite a surprise, especially on a wooden coaster. Farup is a perfectly balanced park. The food is good, the rides blend in nicely, and the theme park is heavily wooded. I'll be returning here next year for the new Vekoma Looper, and I can't wait to be back at this family-owned amusement park. If you only have half a day, it's possible to ride everything here if it's not busy, but this is a full day park in my opinion, and you can pop over to the water park if you finish up with the theme park side. There's a lot to do here. There's also miniature golf and other little activities that can really fill your day up. We were back in the car and headed towards the other Danish theme park, Sommerland, so follow us over to that park and hear my thoughts on one of the best theme parks that I've ever been to. So until then, thanks as always for watching, and see